Good morning, Muhammad here, North End Motors. Hey, this is also what we do when the car gets sold. We go through it. I mean, this car is a beautiful car. But this is when we go through it completely inside out and final detail, as well. As you can see, this particular car is sold. It's a beautiful Toyota Corolla SE loaded up. And we go through it before actually it goes out again one more time, just to make sure everything gets clean and ready to go. It's called a pre-delivery as well. This happened to be a 2000. What year is that? It's an SC, beautiful Corolla. 2018, 48,000 miles. You can't even tell. This car is brand new. Beautiful. But anyway, this car is getting detailed before it goes out. So this particular car, somebody already bought it. So if you're looking for a car, complete service, hey, come check us out here at north.com. Again, all trades are welcome. We finance long-term, short-term. We finance everybody. We'll buy your car, trade your car, whatever you want to do, we can do here at North End Motors in Canton, Mass. Visit us, northendmotors.com, or come down here at 390 Turnpike Street in Canton, Mass. As I said before, we can do a lot of process online. If you check out, on our website, northendmotors.com, and you can click and drive once you do one of the vehicle, and we can also, walk you through most of the process online. So visit us or come see us here in person, 390 Turnpike Street in Canton, Mass. Again, northendmotors.com. Have a great day.